Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Haja, a passionate makeup artist and online makeup instructor. In today's video, we want to discuss how you can achieve lashes like these without any falsies. So this is how we usually apply our mascara and leave the house. At the end of the day, they never really look lifted nor well defined. They're just coated with some black color, which by the way might be smudged under your eyes. The question is, how can we get those naturally lifted and voluminous lashes like those from the models in a commercial? Well, you will get all the answers in this tutorial, so let's jump straight into this video. First of all, we need to curl our lashes for the perfect lift. The correct way is to have more patience and place the curler at the root of your lashes. Press the curler onto the lashes for up to 20 seconds each eye. Do not press too hard or else your lashes will have an unnatural looking lift. Gently release the lash curler from your lashes. Next, apply a mascara primer for a better care of your natural lashes and a more long-lasting mascara application. Apply the primer in a zigzag motion, starting from the root up until the tips. Make sure to coat each lash individually for better results. One coat of primer each eye is enough. Now make sure to let it dry before moving to the next step. Next step is optional and can give you more thick and voluminous lashes if your lashes are not dense enough. Make sure to dab the blending brush behind the back of your hand to get rid of excess powder. Apply a little translucent powder onto your lashes with a blending brush. Then coat your lashes with the powder. This method helps you not to have the need of applying several coats of mascara to achieve volume and thickness. Then we curl the lashes with the lash curler again for 20 seconds and release. Once that is done, we go ahead and apply our mascara. Preferably work with waterproof mascaras because they will help you to maintain the results for a longer time. Start applying the mascara in zigzag motion, wiggling the wand from the roots of your lashes up until its tips. Start from the inner corner and work your way outwards to your outer corner. Once you have coated the lashes evenly, let the first coat dry and apply mascara on the other eye. It is important to let the mascara dry before going on to the next coat. Otherwise, you will end up with clumpy lashes. Another important note, do not pull the wand in and out from its tube several times before the application, or else you will have excess product on the mascara brush, which will end up in spider lashes. Also, you will pump air into the tube, making the product more clumpy over time. Now, if your mascara looks thick and clumpy for any reason, then heat up the tube with a blow dryer to warm up the product and make it more creamy. Optional is to use a card or mascara shield to be able to work more clean and precise without smearing the mascara to your lid. This is a great tip for people with hooded eyes since their lashes might touch their lid. With a lash comb or groomer, we separate lashes from each other for more defined and long lashes. Now we can apply the second coat of mascara without the lashes looking clumpy. Then we remove the mascara stains from our lid with a cotton swab and makeup remover and curl the lashes for a last time. We decided to enhance the lower lashes as well. We apply one thin coat of lash primer first. Then, with a mascara with a smaller brush size, we go ahead and coat the lower lashes in zigzag motions until they are enhanced. After lifting twice, we notice a gap between our lash line and eyes. Our upper waterline gets visible, that is why we line the upper waterline to fill in the gaps and give an illusion of a thicker lash line. And voila! That is how you achieve flattering lashes without any falsies. Comparing it to the fast version of applying mascara on the right side, this technique is a game changer and definitely an eye catcher. If you just want to focus on your lashes for the day, then this technique is definitely worth a try, because who does not want to have natural, fuller and defined lashes without the feeling of heavy falsies on the lash line that might peel off anytime. I hope I could inspire you to try this mascara hack, and do not forget to let me know your experience in the comment section. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones who love a decent and natural makeup look. And please do not forget to subscribe for more great tips and tricks in the beauty world. Thank you so much for the support.